patriots and defenders of democracy. Welcome to the madness. What are we doing today? We're going to be putting on the coilovers on the front, putting on the rotors, and the calipers that we cleaned up. And we're going to go secure them. But first, since we can't pronounce things, we need to cut off some extra guard crap that's on the M3 hubs. Remember, in the realm of all of this, wear safety protection. Hearing protection is something you should wear too. And use a guardrail. Easy peasy. Welcome back to the madness, people. Watch. Drifting like there's no tomorrow. No. I'm messing up Stewie's impression. Don't judge me. Alright. But, see? Big ass brakes. Itty bitty ass brakes. Replacement. Now, hold on. Before any of you say, oh, the little clip is missing! Okay, clip is here. Clip is purple. That's why it's not on here. They're not clean and not ready for presentation. However, this is the finished product. We're gonna go on the other side and assemble the other side. So, once again, roll that beautiful bean footage because that talking dog is always hilarious. But hold on, we'll get to the other side. All right, welcome back, people. We're back on this side. Ta-da! Ain't nothing on this one. However, we already have the M3 hub on here because it's heavy and I don't think you want to listen to me panting and wailing about lifting this up. Mysteriously, this is all a lot heavier than I thought it would be because I'm out of shape. Welcome to the club, people. Oh, and for anybody wondering, yes, I'm Jamaican. That's a Jamaican flag in the background. And that's half of it anyway. So, back to cost things. I think they're what, 19 millimeters for most of these? 19 millimeters. Tighten bolts, people. Tighten bolts. Torque them bad boys. Torque. Not twerk. Torque. Torque. Put a little anti-seize on here, or you can use some primer and clean it up because you know no one likes dealing with the banging to get the shit off. But if you're into that, skip a step. Like I'm saying, these are just suggestions. You can do what you want. We all get to the same ending doing what we're doing. But let's slowly start this. Oh yes, this is heavy as shit. Oh yeah. Throw on these bad boys. If you're wondering what type of pads we're using, Akabono, Brake Experts, Ultra Premium, whatever the hell. They came recommended, hence we're going with them. So yeah. Whoop. Sit easy. this? 7mm Allen. All right. And once again, for anybody asking in regards to, all right, all that's tightened down. Remember, people, safety first, brake system kind of do not cut any corners. I know most of the time we in car world don't really pay attention to brakes while we're building anything until after the fact, but brake suspension really play an important part. And for anybody that's gonna message me telling me this is not on, I got it. I just didn't put it on. It needs to be black. But yeah, this is what's going on. It's on here. I think next go around we're gonna be trying to come to the conclusion if we should use this steering rack that we got. That I don't know if it's going to leak or not. So it's kind of like, do you want to gamble like that? I don't really know. But until next time, thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to the madness. We're still going to be doing the E30 build until we put this 2JZ in this thing and we're outside doing burnouts. Thank you for your support. Peace.